Maria,
What does it mean in the water? Basically, the fish one more time. Yeah?
Yes.
It's big one more time.
Oh, yeah,
It's
yeah.
the coin.
Yes, be careful.
A little bit big, it's for the fish.
Get a little bit.
This for too much noodles. Look at you.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's do it.
Yes. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa.
Then,
Gonna bun? Maybe not. Are you may guwapo, kuya? Maanghang pala siya. Mama will sing for you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, you blow the candle na lang.
Yay! Thank you po.
That's your cake, my
Thank you.
love.
That's for you, Mama.
what's the queen right here?
That's your name and Maria.
That's Maria.
Look, mama, hi, mama.
Hi, everybody.
Dust on your sneakers, grass on the ground, plum juice on your lips, you spin me around. You say it's too sour, I say it's just wild. We swallow the pits like reckless children do. Back porch, swing creaking, dusk in your hair, bowl full of roadside fruit. Love in the air, seed on the wooden floor.
Dito tayo. Kasi hindi na ako na.
Maria, you want to swim too?
Look, mama. Is that mama?
Kuya is swimming. Hey, Maria, okay, catch all the bubbles.
Swim. You can eat here. You can sit down here.
You don't need high chair. We sit next to each other.
What do you want, relax? You want a... I don't think so. Just one sit here.
On Papa's cell phone.
Maybe,
Lola's cell phone is not here, kuya.
maybe I think I want alien.
You want alien?
It's take a long time.
Grabe, hindi ko kaya ubusin ng isang rice. Talaga ba? Ang malaki lang yung serving ng rice. Where do you want to sit down? Here, next to Papa?
No, you next to Mama.
Okay.
But with the waffle.
Not waffle, pancake. Oh, sit down na.
But with the pancake.
The pancake is on the other side. All the family. Yeah, we already had photo. You have to sit next to Mama.
But no.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you can. Oh, there's a big llama.
I'm not doing all food.
Yeah.
Oh,
Eat quickly.
Yeah.
Hurry, Baba. Ha. Ha.
I need to eat quickly.
Hmm? You need to eat quickly?
A nice sunny day.
It is a nice sunny day. Do you like the weather?
Watermelon.
Watermelon? Yum. Yum.
Watermelon.
It's a watermelon? What? Mm-hmm.
Maybe you want the waffle.
You want some waffle?
This is waffle.
You. Yeah. That's not waffle.
The pie?
Mm-hmm.
The pie?
It's not a pie.
What?
It's a pancake.
Pancake?
Mm-hmm. Kain tayo. Want to drink the water? Papa? Orange papa. Si Pictorial din ang swimsuit eh. Eh sus, Azim. Azim. Azim yan. Papa is being silly. I think I want to try your pancake. Can I try your pancake?
Sure.
A little bit. Okay, Papa. I want to touch a little bit pancake, Papa.
Not that a lot.
No, but you have one more.
Then a little bit. Like now,
Eat the fish and then swim.
it's what?
Siguro swim muna bago pinom. Katapos na, ang tapos na siya. Kasi yung pagpupig ng fish, anytime na papauli na pa. Work mo kasi, work pa.
75% chance of pregnant.
Oh no, they're mine.
Huh? That's not yours. That's for everybody. It's for everybody. You share it with everybody.
Maya too.
Ayun, right?